Welcome! If you've ever scrolled through Facebook on your PC and noticed that some animations or videos aren't playing automatically, you're not alone. With the latest update, Facebook has changed a few settings, and today I'll show you exactly how to enable autoplay animations on the Facebook app for your computer. Let's dive right in and make your Facebook experience even more dynamic and fun. First, open up the Facebook app on your PC. If you're already logged in, you'll land right on your newsfeed. Take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with several options for your account. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and you'll see a few more choices appear. Select Settings from this list. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control almost every aspect of your Facebook experience. Now, scroll down the Settings menu until you find the section called Media. Click on Media to open up the media settings for your account. Here, you'll see several options related to how Facebook handles videos, photos, and animations. Look for the setting that says Autoplay Animations. If it's currently turned off, simply toggle the switch to enable it. Once you do this, all the fun and engaging animations on Facebook will start playing automatically as you browse. No more clicking or tapping to see things in motion. They'll just play as you scroll. And that's it. You've successfully enabled autoplay animations on the Facebook app for your PC. This quick update ensures you never miss out on any of the lively content your friends and favorite pages share. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new animated Facebook feed.